What do you think about when you hear that word? Exactly. Crazy people. Gas mask bunkers. Thousands of dollars of food and water stored for a day that may never come. You done?
Yeah. But statistics show that terrorism, natural disaster, and overpopulation are all on the rise.
So even though you may think preppers are a bit strange,
Chances are you may be a little less prepared than you want to be.
hey, what's up? I'm Mike Escamilla.
And I'm Christian Schaff. Collectively, we've traveled to over 100 countries and spent time in some of the most extreme and dangerous environments in the world.
I know what you're saying. You can get a go bag anywhere, survival bag at any grocery store. Well, this is what you're getting. A backpack full of stuff, unorganized, no rhyme or reason. You got food here. This is your first aid kit. You've got toilet paper.
What do you use popsicle sticks for?
I'm not sure. Water, cheap flashlight, batteries that are corrode.
This
all
isn't
in a
even
bag.
waterproof.
Nothing. This is all nothing. All this is garbage.
Introducing the 72, the world's first fully integrated 72-hour survival system. The 72's outer shell features beautiful, waterproof, and extremely durable tarpaulin. This material is so airtight, the bag can even be used as a flotation device. An additional waterproof pocket on the back protects and secures important documents and electronics. And the two hip pockets have enough space for today's largest smartphones. Both shoulder straps feature flashlight mounts for hands-free lighting.
And the flashlight is 100% waterproof.
The adjustable sternum strap features an integrated emergency whistle. Opening the airtight roll top reveals a military-grade canvas insert with a hard exoskeleton. This insert features backpack straps to provide additional carrying capacity by freeing up the external bag when needed.
The ACPE plastic inserts can be removed and attached to your feet to form snowshoes, slings,
And a variety of other uses.
Yeah, we can get a helicopter. That sounds awesome.
Instructions that help the most novice user get through any situation. 95% of survival situations are resolved in the first 72 hours. But what you do in those first 72 hours can mean the difference in life and death for you and your family. Our $70,000 goal allows us to start this company and build products to make the world a safer place for everybody.
We've already began production, so we're going to guarantee the first 500 orders by the holidays.
The 72 is the world's first fully integrated survival system, and we hope you'll add one to your home, car, or office. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Live prepared.